Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your name to your iPhone lock screen. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So you will see your name just between the camera and your flashlight buttons in the bottom side of your lock screen. So to add your name here, first of all you need to open your iPhone, and here from the top right corner just slide to see the additional options here. Now we will need to click on the focus button just right here, and you will see all your focuses available. Now we need to click on the plus sign in the bottom side of the screen to create new focus. It will open this window in the settings. Now we need to here choose custom, and now we should type in our name. So for example, mine will be Pete. This is my name, and basically you can choose the color. You can choose, you can customize this focus as you want. So for example, I will go with a leaf, and when you are ready you need to click on the next. Now as you can see, you can customize your focus clicking on customize focus, but it is not necessary. You can do this later. So you can go back, and as you can see we created our focus with our name. So now we should enable it. Go back, slide from the top right corner of your screen once again, click on the focus and choose here the focus with your name. As you can see, now it is enabled, turned on. And now if we lock our screen or just slide from the top side of the screen, we will see a little name in the bottom side of our lock screen. So as you can see, Pete with a little leaf icon. And basically that is it. That is how we can add your name on your iPhone lock screen. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.